When you first log into the app, if you have an item already attached to it, you will see it here. If not, you can come up here and press the plus sign. Obviously, you'll have to log into your account first. And this is kind of where I start disliking the app, because there we go, scrolling, can't scroll, X up there, sometimes isn't responsive. So here you can open or close just by pressing. You can see it has been closed for 1 hour. This will allow you to change the view of your devices. So if you have multiple devices, you can kind of arrange them. Since I only have one, I just leave it like that. Coming over here, you have options. First being history, which will show you all the actions that have happened. Garage door open, garage door close. You can delete your history if you want to, and we're just going to say delete because, well, I don't need to know that right now. Coming back to the side, you have device management, which will allow you to add new devices. So here I have hubs, discover devices. So if I click on garage door, which is what I have currently, it's door sensor, door opener, and you could just kind of go through that menu item. Next is My Queue Guest. So this will allow you to temporarily, and without giving your password to somebody, allow them access to your garage door, which can be very useful. Next is Works with My Queue. So if we click on that, it will show you here Amazon Key, works with Nest, which sadly nothing will work with Nest anymore, Wink. You've got lots of things that will work. Oh yeah, here's your Google Assistant for a price. IFTTT, also with a price. You get the idea. Alerts. Now, alerts, you actually have to pull back the camera so it can focus a little better. Alerts, you actually have to program in, or else you won't get a notification like that where it says, you know, my garage door just closed on the date and time. You have to set them up as individual alerts. So you do that by coming over here, plus sign, devices garage door. You can title it. You can select open, stop, closed, and you can say, tell me as soon as it happens, all times of day, which is what I have, push a notification, or email and enable alerts. Now, I will say alerts get to your phone roughly 5 seconds after an action has happened, but what I did originally, which was wrong, was I went this alert, this alert, this alert. That's not how it works. You need individual alerts set up for each action, so just keep that in mind when you're setting up your alerts. Next is schedule. So what this will allow you to do, adding a schedule, you can only, so you can name your schedule, select your device, since I only have the one, and close. That's one of the things that I found with the schedule. You can only schedule to close the garage door. They will not let you schedule to open the garage door. But you can select your times, you could select your days, and you could select push notification for when it happens. So if you know you're constantly late for work and you forget to close the garage door at 7:30, well, at 7:35, you can automatically have that close for you and it will send you a notification. My Dealer, if you happen to get your device at a local store, you can put that information in there. And then Help is just that, it's Help. So we're going to come back to My Devices, and that's really all the app is. It's not flashy, it's a little buggy in places, and they kind of combined LiftMaster and Chamberlain. It used to be two separate apps, it's now one app, which needs a little polishing still in my opinion, but if you use the computer to add your devices and not the app, you'll be okay, because all you have to do is push open garage door and close garage door, and that works perfectly fine. Not going to do it now because it's raining, but you push it and you're good to go.